Another method of growing new plant, it can be tissue culture. In tissue culture, instead of taking a part of the plant, few cells or tissues of the plant they are taken. These cells and tissues they are placed in a nutrient medium. Nutrient medium, a medium which contains all the substances, particles and compounds which are required for the growth of the plant, like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, whatever the minerals and elements are required by the plants, whatever the hormones, हमने पढ़ा था cytokinin is required for cell division, and all the elements and minerals required by the plant, they are used to make a nutrient medium. Different composition के nutrient mediums आते हैं for different types of plant. A small portion of cell or tissue is taken from the plant and then it is grown in nutrient medium, and one special requirement is there for culturing the plant in tissue culture, that is special स्टरलाइज्ड कंडीशंस आर रिक्वायर्ड. स्टरलाइज्ड कंडीशंस क्योंकि प्लांट जो है बाहर मॉइस्ट मीडियम में ग्रो कर रहा है, तो देयर आर चांसेस, वेरी ग्रेट चांसेस ऑफ अटैक ऑफ माइक्रोबियल ऑर्गेनिजम्स या माइक्रोब्स. इट कैन बी गेट अफेक्टेड बाय बैक्टीरिया, फंगस etc. So the medium should be sterilized and then these cells they will start dividing and it will grow into a mass of cells. This mass of cells is called callus. अब हम इस callus को ट्रांसफ़र कर देते हैं in another, say we can transfer it into a test tube also or in a petri dish also by growing in a culture medium. So it will grow into a plantlet, a small plantlet. It will develop the roots and then this plantlet will be transferred into, this can be transferred into the field or the pot or the kitchen garden. This is how tissue culture is done. Now the next topic is sexual reproduction in plants. Sexual reproduction in plants takes place by seeds. For that, let us see the structure of a flower. The stalk of the flower, the stalk of the flower, फूल की डंडी जिसे हम कहते हैं, the stalk of the flower is called pedicel. At the top it has a swollen region which is called thalamus. Then there is a green whorl of leaves. ग्रीन कलर की लीव्स हैं सबसे पहले. सिंगल लीफ इज कॉल्ड सेपल एंड द होल whorl is called calyx. Then we have the colored leaves. Colored leaves in the flowers, they are called, single leaf is called petal. The whole whorl is called corolla. Then there are present various male parts, the male reproductive organs in the plants. They are called stamens and the female reproductive part which is called carpel or the pistil. ठीक है. This is the stalk of the flower which is called pedicel. The upper portion slightly swollen, thalamus. On thalamus all the other parts are born. First is the leaf, green colored leaf. एक leaf को हम बोलते हैं sepal. The whole whorl, all the green leaves together, they are called calyx. Single colored leaf is called petal. All the colored leaves together, they are called corolla. Then the male part in the flower is called stamen, and the female part in the flower, which is called carpel or pistil. Let us see the male and female parts separately. The male part in the flower, this is the structure. This is called stamen. Single is stamen, and more than one together they are called androecium. Androecium consists of, this part is called filament, and at the top these are the anther lobes. In anther lobes में special cell division होती है, meiosis, and the male sex cells are produced, which are called pollen grains. Pollen grains are the male sex cells in plants. The female part is called carpel or pistil. Singularly it is carpel or pistil, and many together they are called gynoecium. ठीक है, let us draw. It consists of stigma and a long tube called style, and the basic swollen part called ovary. Inside the ovary are present ovules. So this is what the VS of flower. VS means vertical section of the flower. Now let us see the parts of the flower originally.